It looks like this is the only recipe I ever make because I'm obsessed with it. Anytime I have lots of veggies, whatever they are, and I mean it. Today it's potato, sweet potato, eggplant, zucchini. I make my fricassee. And all it requires every time, this is the constant, is a bunch of sliced onions that I'm going to saute in olive oil, and just some cherry tomatoes, a good two pints. And I'm going to slice these things. I'm going to show you. Throw in the sliced onions once they're a little soft with the tomatoes, and just put it in the oven for a good hour. It's coming out caramelized and glazed. Que c'est bon! And in the oven they go.